Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can split a clip in Premiere Pro. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro, and here you can see that the option that is showing at the start and end of the video, and you can simply hold at the left mouse cursor and drag that, and here you can see that you can do at the end as well. So this is the first method, and the second method is, let me show you. So you simply need to select this razor icon or razor tool. You can select this from here, or you can use the shortcut that is C, and you can make a cut in the video, and then you need to delete that part. So here you can see that, and let me show you another method. So you simply need to select this pointer and drag that anywhere where you want to make a cut, and then you need to click on Ctrl K, and here you can see that the video is now cut into two parts. So this is a process by which you can split a clip in Premiere Pro 2023. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.